Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw a very nice house. So I'm starting from the roof. Let's draw the inclined roof first. It's like a triangle, and we draw a straight line up to the bottom here. Then for the ground, let's draw another straight line. Now let's draw the floors. So for the first floor, we draw this line, make it thicker. We draw two lines parallel, and we draw another lines here, and parallel to the previous one, let's draw other line. All right, so you can see the basic drawing, and let's connect the pillar for the front line. So this is the pillar, we can draw the ground here. Let's draw the stair like this, so we're seeing the house from the side. All right, so let's draw few lines like this, one for top one and the bottom one. Okay, so two more lines we can draw here, and we are going to put the railings. All right, another segment you can see for the roof line, and let's begin from here, and we are going to draw up to this point. Okay, connect it. We connect it with the pitched roof on top. Now let's draw another horizontal line like this. Two lines here, and we draw the glasses for the ground floor. All right, now let's draw the upper floor. So this is going to be the glass, this is on the roof. Okay, let's put another vertical line here, here. Let's connect these 2 points. and these 2 points. All right, so few grasses on top. Now we're going to put the umbrella. Let's draw a straight line for the umbrella. The first line will be parallel to the other one. Let's draw a curved line on top. Bushun. This is
পুরানবাড়ি স্বামী হাতে না সীমান্ত নাচে সীমান্ত গদনো এমনি হওয়া নিচ্ছে সাজুদার আইসে দূরে ওর কাছে টাচ মোবাইল দেখা আমার নাই চাল পান খাওয়ার আবার ফিলাম যেন
all right.
আইলো না আমার বললো আমি এখন নেন আম্মা আইসি মনে অনুগেল ওর কইলেই করম যেতে দিতে
শেষ করি. All right, so the drawing is almost done. 2 minutes. So you can see the grass here at the bottom, the dark green line you can see. And we're putting the light shades of green here. For the pitched roof, we're going to put the dark red color here, as you can see. Okay, we're going to put the same color for the umbrella for a nice drawing. These are the same texture we need to apply. All right, so for the windows we're going to put the blue color. As you can see, I am putting the same blue for each segment of the drawing. This is the same blue segment. So the ground floor has 2 windows, and on top of it 1 and 1 compartment. All right, একটু দাঁড়ায় না মা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা let's put little ash color. Also this one. You can see and for the ground floor too. So this is the finishing line. So you can see the ground is little deeper in color and the darker. All right, we can put few shades here under this for good visibility. Let's put some people here. In the house. So you can see the proportion. This is a very nice drawing for a small house. I hope you like the video. If you like, please subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.